From 0 views to viral, a YouTuber's resilience. Every successful YouTube channel has a hidden beginning that most viewers never see. Before the likes, comments, and subscribers, there is often a long stretch of silence. Videos uploaded into the void, watched by no one, liked by no one, shared by no one. This is the stage where resilience is born, though few recognize it as such. From 0 views to viral is not just a growth story, it is a quiet human story about patience, belief, and learning to continue when results refuse to appear. At the beginning, the YouTuber uploads with hope. The first video feels important, even brave. The creator checks analytics repeatedly, expecting at least a small response. But hours pass, then days. The view count stays at 0, or maybe climbs to 3, 2 of them from the creator. This moment tests motivation more than any technical challenge ever will. The platform does not explain itself. It simply stays silent. Many people quit here, not because they lack talent, but because silence feels personal. 0 views can feel like rejection, even though it is often just invisibility. Algorithms do not know the creator yet. Audiences do not trust what they have never seen. The YouTuber must learn an early, painful lesson. Effort does not guarantee attention. Resilience begins when the creator uploads again anyway. Over time, the YouTuber starts to change, not just content, but mindset. They stop chasing instant validation and begin asking better questions. Is the message clear? Is the thumbnail inviting? Is the video helping someone, even if that someone is not showing up yet? Each upload becomes less about applause and more about practice. The creator learns to speak to an imagined viewer, trusting that one day the viewer will arrive. The hardest part of the journey is not failure, but uncertainty. There is no timeline for growth. One video might perform slightly better, the next might fall back into silence. This unpredictability forces the YouTuber to build discipline instead of motivation. Motivation fades easily. Discipline shows up even when confidence does not. Behind the scenes, resilience looks ordinary. It looks like filming after work, editing late at night, learning new skills through trial and error, rewriting titles, re-recording audio, watching other creators, not with envy, but with curiosity. Slowly, almost invisibly, improvement happens. Then, sometimes without warning, something shifts. A video reaches a few more people than usual. Comments appear. Strangers respond. The algorithm tests the content with a wider audience. The YouTuber feels a cautious hope, but by now, resilience has taught them not to celebrate too early. They continue uploading, staying consistent, staying grounded. When a video finally goes viral, it often surprises the creator as much as anyone else. The overnight success is actually the result of months or years of unseen work. The viral moment is not the beginning, it is the echo of persistence. It reflects every video that failed quietly before it. Even after success, resilience remains necessary. Viral attention brings pressure, expectations and comparison, the creator must remember why they started, not for numbers, but for meaning. Without resilience, growth becomes exhausting. With it, growth becomes sustainable. The story of a YouTuber going from 0 views to viral is ultimately a story about choosing to continue without guarantees. It is about trusting the process when progress is invisible. It reminds us that resilience is not loud or dramatic, it is steady, private, and deeply human. And in the end, the most powerful thing the YouTuber gains is not fame, but confidence, the knowledge that they can keep going even when no one is watching.